Want to make sure you're not advertising out-of-season or irrelevant products during your peak sales seasons? Let's walk through how to do this with one simple rule. First, click on the Feeds option in the menu bar at the top. This will open up your list of export feeds. Next, go ahead and click on Rules. You'll see the option to add a new rule. Click on the plus sign to create a new rule. Now let's give it a name. Let's go with Seasonal Exclusion. Go ahead and type that in, then hit the Create button. Now you'll see an If section where we define what to exclude. First, select Product Category from the drop-down menu. In the next section, choose Contains. Underneath, choose the field category that applies to this rule. For example, if it's winter, you don't want to promote t-shirts. Now, click the plus sign on the right to add another condition. In the And section, select Current Date under Internal Fields from the drop-down. Next, choose Is On or After. A new section will appear for a date. Choose the start date for when you want this rule to apply, for example, the start of a holiday sale. Again, click the plus sign on the right to add one more condition. In the And section, select Current Date under Internal Fields again. This time, choose Is Before. You will now set the end date for this exclusion. This will define the time period when your t-shirts will be excluded from advertising. Moving on to the Then section, select all fields and then Exclude. This tells the system to exclude these items from your campaigns during the set time frame. Once everything's set, click the Save Rule button at the bottom to apply your settings. And that's it. Now, all your t-shirts will be excluded during the specified time frame, allowing you to focus your advertising spend on relevant, in-season products. Follow us for more content, so you can learn more tips and tricks or gain insights about e-commerce. Or go to Channable.com to learn more.